A very jaunty good morning to one and all present here. Today, as we celebrate Republic Day, the day our Constitution came into force. I, Dilara Ahmed, am here to speak on the topic Constitution and its relevance in today's India. The Indian Constitution is the supreme law of our country. It provides the basic framework for the functioning of the government and explains the rights and duties of citizens. It is also the longest written constitution in the world, reflecting the diversity and complexity of India. This brings us to an important question. If the constitution is the heart of our democracy, why does it feel like it is being ignored? The Indian constitution was not written for one government, one party, or one time. It was written for every Indian, especially when power becomes too powerful. In today's India, where the government is strong, visible, and decisive, the relevance of the constitution becomes more important than ever, not less. Some people say the government knows what it is doing, but the constitution asks a better question. Is what is being done constitutional and fair? Let me give you a real example. In 2015, the Supreme Court struck down Section 66A of the IT Act, a law that allowed people to be arrested for online posts simply because they were considered offensive. Students, cartoonists, and ordinary citizens were punished for expressing opinions. It was the Constitution, especially the right to freedom of speech, that protected citizens from the misuse of power, not public opinion or political strength. This incident proves one thing clearly. When laws threaten liberty, the Constitution steps in as the final shield. The Constitution gives us freedom of speech, not to praise blindly, but to question responsibly. It gives us equality, not only on paper, but in practice. It gives us equality, not only on paper, but in practice. It gives us secularism, not as a slogan, but as a promise to protect every belief. Today, when laws are passed quickly, protests are questioned, and disagreement is sometimes seen as disrespect. The Constitution reminds us that dissent is not anti-national, it is democratic. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar once warned that democracy is not just about voting, but about respecting constitutional morality. That warning is extremely relevant today. Whenever freedom feels uncomfortable, whenever questions feel dangerous, and whenever authority feels unquestionable, that is exactly when the Constitution matters the most. The last but not the least. Governments may change, policies may change, but the Constitution must remain firm. Because it doesn't serve the rulers of India, it serves the people of India. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Thank you very much.